Well, you know, it's kind of the way you look at it, I think. I'm gonna need a tire for sure. You know? 6'4". Oh yeah. It's got them SS seats in there. And floor shift. Well, I'm gonna need 2 tires. And maybe have them on special, you know, and get a pair of them. 6'4". Oh, it's got some patina. Oh, it's got patina. But so far, you know, we don't need this other stuff. We just saying. Couple tires on this side. Rust. I'm just saying. Yeah, no key. Ain't had the trunk open yet. Yeah, trailer hitch, cross country. You know, it's got some Bondo on it right there. Oh yeah, we're gonna need 3 tires. Flat. Man. Maybe buy 2 and get 1 free. We'll be good to go. You know, 3 for 2 deal. But it'll need a little detailing. You know, we'll detail this. You know. Oh, well, you know, you probably could expect it that we're gonna need 4 tires. It's gonna get in the budget, but you know, 6'4", be rolling. That's what we're working with. Yeah, off the ground. Oh yeah. Now I bring it to your attention if you're keeping up with the goings on here in the middle of Tennessee. Well, you know, I done put them 2 new hoses on right there, hydraulic. That's the easy part. Clutch stuck to the flywheel. I got her in neutral, you know, but I didn't get that clutch unstuck yet. I'll leave a comment. Little 8M4. Oh yeah. I put that new spring, that governor spring up in there. I done put a new one on there. That was works quite well. Everything else is correct on that. It looks to be a nice condition on the outside here, and it functions kind of stiff but correctly, so it may run in a little better. But today we're gonna get that magneto off there. That's one of them L-mags right there, igniter, overstrike they call it. I was looking at the marks and everything, and all that right there lines up like that right there, and that little cross piece in that on the end of that armature shaft, you know, it lines up with the mark on the housing there. So I think it's in time and everything. But on that note there, it said to charge that magneto. So I'm not even going to question it. I'm just going to take it off there and we'll put on that Bosch charger in there. You know, we'll soup it up if it can be. Now we'll get that back one out of there. But with them loose, oh yeah, we'll have to prise that out of there. That's the way you get a L mag out of a M. Comes out quite easily without moving the flywheel or anything. Now we'll get a charge on that, a reinstall. Oh yeah. Oh, I'll go sharpen that blade. Oh yeah. Little paint removal right there on that mounting plate. So we get that magneto charged up, get it back on there. Let's get that done. Yeah, I just put a little light oil in them 2 oil reservoirs there, and when you turn the gear, there's absolutely no resistance of any amount. It's free to turn with no magnet attraction. So, you know, do you assume that this is a good mag or a bad mag? Looks good. Has a, looks like a brand spanking new gear. I think so. It's, I don't think it's been apart, but it does have a couple of screws are missing right there, but I'm not sure that that's been out just yet. But there's no magnetism. Okay, a real easy test right quick to know if you have something. Y'all seen me use this before. And you attach this to the output right there. And then you attach the other end to a ground right there. And when you turn this gear, right here. If there's a spark in it, it's like a little timing light. You can see what's happening in there. Well, I'll point it out to you. Right down there at the end of that screwdriver, that's where you be focused to see if we have a spark in this magneto, low tension, with no magnetism. Quite nice spark, constant and every time.